Okay, first let's find delta x. So delta x is 2 minus 1 over n, which is 1 over n. Then I pick this interval where I say the ith interval, which is xi minus 1 xi. And xi minus 1 is defined as a plus i minus 1 times delta x. So the a here is 1, and this is I minus 1 times, because when you go from 1 to 2, then you just keep adding, 1 over n to this number here, right? So this will be like 1 plus 1 over n, and then 1 plus 2 over n, and so on. So then this is 1 plus I minus 1 times 1 over n, and xi is going to be 1 plus I times delta x, which is 1 plus I times 1 over n, right? So, okay, when I compute the lower sum, so lower sum is this. Lower sum is the sum I from 1 to n minus 1 times delta x, which then you're just going to plug this into the function, which is 5 minus 2 times that number, which is 1 plus I minus 1 n, and then all of this multiplied by delta x, which is 1 over n. So if you simplify this, this is just going to be 3, because 5 minus 2, and then minus 2 over n times I minus 1 times 1 over n. And then this will turn into, so you can move 1 over n to here. So if you keep simplifying this, you should get something like this. So 3 times n, if you minus, because you're going to distribute this one as well. So this will be 3n over n minus 2 over n squared. And the sum of I is going to be n times n plus 1 over 2. And then sum 1 from n to 1 is this is just going to be n. If you simplify this, you should get 1 over n, because this is going to cancel, and you'll get 2 minus 1 over n at the end. Now let's try the other one, upper sum. Upper sum is going to be the sum fxi delta xi from 1 to n. This will be sum I from 1 to n. And then you'll just write, okay, 5 minus, now I'm going to plug this into the function, 5 minus 2 times 1 plus I over n times 1 over n. Then simplify this, so you will get 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 2i over n times 1 over n, which is 3 over n minus 2 over n squared times I. And if you just split the sum, so this will be 3n, because this is from 1 to n. And then minus 2 over n squared times n plus 1 divided by 2. So this cancels out. This is 3 minus. And then you can cancel 2's, and you can cancel 1 of this. So 3 minus. And this is going to be, so this is going to be n plus 1 divided by n, which is 3n minus 1 over n. And that's going to be 2n minus 1 over n. And if you split this, this will be 2n minus 1 over n. So just simplify that basically, and then you should have the simplified form for upper sum. Okay, so that's basically it.